Hello everyone, welcome back. So I am very excited to share with you today's video. We got the opportunity to partner up with craftbundles.com to showcase their February craft bundle. Now what's so special about this bundle is, one, it comes with over 200 digital images, SVG files, DXF files, so you can use them in your Cricut design space or your Silhouette studio. And it also comes with 10 unique fonts. So not only do they have a massive amount of images to choose from, including fonts as well, there's also a full commercial license that comes with the bundle. And I'll have more about that in the description box below. I'll link the website, the bundle that I'm referring to, and information on the commercial license down in the description box below. So if you want more information, go check that out. So today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on using Cricut vinyl, as well as one of the digital images that comes from this bundle, as well as one of the fonts. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right down below so you don't miss our upcoming videos, and comment and let us know what you think about these craft bundles. So thanks again, and let's get into the tutorial. Okay, here we are in Cricut Design Space, and really quickly I'm going to show you how to upload your image into Design Space. I have all of my images from the bundle right here, and I'm going to be using the Farmhouse bundle. I'm going to go to SVG, and here are all the images in the Farmhouse bundle. I'm going to be using the Fresh Eggs image right here. So in Design Space, I'm going to go to Upload Images right here on the left-hand side. I'm going to upload image again right here. And I could either click on Browse and go through all the files and everything to find the image that I want, or I can come over, since I have this already open, I can just click the image that I want and drag it over. And there it is. Now you always want to make sure you tag your images when you upload them into Design Space, because it'll make it a lot easier for you to find. So I'm going to write chicken, eggs, farmhouse, and that seems pretty good. So when I type in any of those words, this will come up. Okay, so I'm going to click my image, insert the image into my blank canvas, and the size of this is actually perfect, so I'm not going to change the size at all. However, I'm going to add a font, which is also in this bundle. I'm going to write the year 2016, because that is when I first got my chickens. So here's our lettering right here. Now I'm going to go up here in the top left-hand corner to the font section, and I know the font name I'm going to use. It's called Love Mug. And here it is right here. And place that right down here and alter the size so it will fit a little bit better. So that looks good. I'm going to take my image, all the images, and select them, and then I'm going to come down here on the bottom right hand corner and click Weld. This will make my two images into one over here in the layers panel. Okay, now let's make it.